What's going on, people out there in YouTube world? This is Billy from My Fly Family coming back with another quick tutorial. Today we are going to do a plus extension base plate on a Glock magazine. We have Tyrant designs, +5 9mm or +4 in 40 cal, and only on the double stack magazines. And we're going to be also changing out the spring and keeping the stock follower. So number one, the guns are safety checked, good to go, no bullets near or around you, and we are all set. So first of all, let's get down into it. We are going to have to disassemble our Glock magazine. For the most part, it's basically simple. You're just going to need something like an Allen key, a flathead screwdriver, and a little bit of muscle. So first, we're going to depress this little tab here and then push forward on the back of the magazine. Make sure that tab stays down. Then we want to take our flathead, put it in the gap, and wiggle it back and forth. Pry it up a bit. But what you want to do is there's two pieces under here. There's the base plate and then there's the follower base. We want to make sure we keep our finger on that. That's going to stay in for a minute. And we're going to pop that off. That spring, you don't want it to pop out and hit you in the eye. Take that plate off, take that spring out, and grab that old follower. Put that aside. Now, the first thing that we want to do is put the follower onto the new spring. And you'll hear a little click when it pops in. All right. Let's put that back in the magazine. Now let's grab our Tyrant design +5 base plate. We're going to depress that spring as good as we can get it. Now putting the base plate on is toolless. It has a little plunger right there, so we don't need any tools for that part. Slide this on, keep that spring in there. Folks, that's it. 1, 2, 3. We're all set. See how it looks. Not too bad. Came out pretty nice. You like? I like. That's the 9mm. And they also go on the 40 cal. But Tyrant designs, I like it. It's beautiful. The edges are nice and rounded. Not too much room for you to hurt yourself on or scrape or scratch when you're putting the magazine in. Let's have a look at that, how that happens. And it rolls right off. No sharp edges at all. Beautiful. And looks good. Like, comment, subscribe. I thank you guys. Enjoy the day.